I got a brand new LOL doll surprise for my collection. Now, it's got LOL doll surprise all-star BBs. So it looks just like a football. Are you ready to open it? Okay, let's get started. So the first bit we got is this bit. Let's see what it is. It's got an interesting bit. Okay, so we're going to open it now. So you see the zip? We're going to pull this zip. Zip. Going around. Aha! Okay. So we got the brand. So we got another zipper. A zip under the zip. Wow, this is really hard. Wow, we got a zip under a zip under the zip. How unusual. Okay, see, we got another zip. Wow, this is really interesting. Okay, so we're going to open this like this. It really does look like a football. Okay, get ready. Oh, and we've got the football. So now we're going to do is we're going to open it. Wow. OMG, look at all of this. Okay, so let's see all the LOL dolls. We're going to get at least one of these. Wow, there's so many. Okay, so we're going to get, so we got Genie, Sooty, Foxy, Goody, Flower, Kicks, Jitterbug, Touchdown, Big City BB, and Miss Punk. So they're all from different teams. This team is from the Pink Punk, and this is Teal Roxas. So Pink Lightning and Teal Rocks. Wow. Which team do you think my LOL doll is going to be in? I hope it's in this team. Oh, and they got two interesting ones. And they got two rare ones too. We got Fancy and Fresh. They must be sisters. Okay, are you ready to find out? So we'll start with this. I wonder what this is. Looks like this is from... I think this is from the blue team. So it's got like a girl and magic. So it's hat trick. That's funny. Hat trick. I seriously don't get that. Okay, so I wonder what's in here. Okay, are you ready to find out? Oh no, it's gonna be in this team. Wow, look at that outfit. So cute. It's like a really cute outfit. Okay, I wonder what this is. Probably the shoes. I think it's the shoes. Well, looks like I was right. Those are some fancy shoes. Wow. I wonder who it is. They all look the same. Wow, these are some lovely shoes. Look at these shoes. They're like pink, white high heels. Okay, they go great with that dress. This is weird. What do you think this is? What is this? What is this? Wow, it's really pink and sparkly. I wonder if it opens. It's like there has to be like a magic key, I think. You put the little LOL doll inside this. Wonder what it is. Probably show it. Okay, now we're going to find out what LOL doll this is. Are you ready? Because I sure am. Wow, all that blush. Look at her hair. Oh, wow. Look at that hair. Should we get her dressed? Okay. I wonder what her name is. Goody, but I'm going to change that name because I don't like it. Maybe I'm going to name her. What should I name her? What do you think I should name her? She looks so cute. Instead of Goody, how? I seriously don't know what I'm going to name this doll. This is hard. How do you put this in? Okay, guys, this is really hard. Oh, wait, I almost got it. Almost there. I have to get this done. Oh, Goody. Wow, this is really hard to put on the t-shirt. So it looks like her team she's from Pink Lightning. Go Pink Lightning! I'm full of glitter now. Oh, look at her. She looks so cute in her outfit. Okay, let's put on her really cool shoes. Okay. Wow, these are like really big high heels. Okay. These are hard to put on. Seriously. Okay. So we're gonna try it. So I'm trying to think of her name. When she was on. Okay, she looks really good in her shoes. Her shoes are really pretty and glittery. Okay. Guys, she looks like a cheerleader. Go Team Lightning. We got one more thing to unravel. We got two more things to unravel. Wonder what this is. Oh, it's her water bottle. Look at that water bottle. So she must be in 14. Number 14. Cool water bottle. Okay. Now we've got one more thing to unravel. This looks like a card. Weird. Let's open it. It's a card, alright. It's really a card. Look at that card. Look at her team. This is her whole team. Oh, look, there she is. Goody. Number 14. I think she's a cheerleader. We still have a mystery of what this magic box is. Looks like she must be like from a magic show. Okay. So guys, look. I think this is a magic box. So what we do is, she's a magic. What she does, she goes inside the box, and she's in it, and then we have to lock it, and then pop, she's back. So instructions say, okay, so the instructions say that, let's find out what this box is for. Interesting. Well, it doesn't. Look at all the instructions. And I think I got a name for her. I'm going to name her, how about Mia? I'm going to name her Mia. Mia goes on to the stage. She's a cheerleader. Put the hands in the air. Okay. Wow. So she's a cheerleader. What she does is, so she cheers for her team, Pink Lightning. Look. So I think there's a clue of what this box. Oh, look. Oh, so she's a magician. That's why she has this box. So what she does is, it says hat trick. So what she does, she goes inside the box as a magic trick. That's why they gave the box. I wonder if it opens. Wow, it's a really pink glittery box. So she'll be great. You know, we should put her on. She looks really good in her outfit. I wonder if I can put on her more outfits so she looks really cool. So she's a new LOL doll for my collection. So Mandy, Style, Troublemaker, and the one and only Princess Dusk. She's a brand new doll for my collection.